In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for project management. We'll start by setting up a dedicated team for your project so everything stays in one organized place. Open Microsoft Teams, then select Teams from the left-hand menu. From there, click Create and Join Teams and Channels, or Join or Create a Team depending on the version you see. Choose Create Team, then decide whether you want to build it from scratch or use an existing template. Enter your project name and a short description so everyone knows the purpose of the workspace. Next, choose whether the team should be private or public, and then add your project members. Once your team is created, the next step is to build channels for different parts of the project. Open your project team, click the More Options menu next to the team name, and select Add Channel. Give each channel a clear, practical name. For example, you might create channels for General, Tasks, Marketing, Design, Client Updates, and Completed. This makes it much easier to separate conversations and keep people focused on the right work. After naming the channel, click Add. Now let's look at task management. Open the project team or the specific channel where you want to track work, then click the plus button to add a tab. Select Planner or Tasks, depending on your team's setup. From here, create tasks for team members and include important details like due dates, priorities, and assignments. As work moves forward, keep those tasks updated so the board reflects what is not started, in progress, or completed. This gives everyone a quick visual overview of project status. To organize project files, open the appropriate channel and go to the Files or Shared tab. Upload your project documents, then create folders to keep everything structured and easy to find. You can also share files directly with team members, and if available, use Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint right inside Teams for smoother collaboration. For communication, Teams gives you several useful options. Use posts and channels for project-wide announcements and discussions, chat for quick one-on-one or group messages, and meetings for progress updates. Mentions help notify a specific team member, and reactions make it easy to acknowledge messages without adding clutter. When it's time to schedule a meeting, open Calendar and click New Event. Add your project members, enter the date and time,